Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of the latest budget smartphone from Motorola in India. In fact, this is the global debut of the new Moto G series. We have the Moto G9 launching in India. So the Moto G9 is the latest smartphone under the G series after the G8 series launched last year. So now we have the G9 series, and this is the first device under the G9 series, and this is a global debut happening in India. Now this device comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 5000 mAh capacity battery, 48 megapixel camera, and an HD display is included. And as usual, the device comes with stock Android and a bit of customization from Motorola. So that's the device. So in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the Moto G9 launching in India today, and we're going to talk about the device. We'll do the unboxing, we'll show you some camera samples. Remember, it has a 48 megapixel camera, and it also comes with 20-watt fast charging included in the box. So that's something which is pretty good, and this should be able to give a good experience overall. So we're going to talk about that in this video. So let's get started with the unboxing of the new Motorola G9. So this is the Moto G9. You can see that the Motorola logo and the Moto G9 mentioned here, and you can see the 48 megapixel triple camera system plus night vision, 5000 mAh capacity battery, 4GB RAM. There are 3 colors available, and we have the blue variant with us. So this is the blue variant, and we get 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage available. And SAR value, if you are interested, 0.47 is the head SAR and body SAR is 1.3. That's the SAR value of this device, and this is again made in India product, and we are not really sure about the pricing of this device. So expect this to be around the 10 to 12k price segment. We'll get to know once this is officially launched in India. So that's the device. So let's get started with the unboxing. So opening up, you can see the 48 megapixel triple camera system, the night vision, and you can see that 5000 mAh capacity battery, and you also get octa-core processor for plus 4GB RAM, and you get a case included, typical of Motorola to include a case. And you can see that the triple camera setup, 48 megapixel primary camera, then we have a depth sensor and a macro sensor included. A fingerprint scanner is at the back panel. Now let's have a look at the quality of this plastic. You can see that this is a glossy plastic, but actually feels quite good here. Let's just peel off the stickers as well. So there you go. So it looks quite good in terms of the fit and finish and build quality. Now this is again a budget smartphone. You get the power button, and you also get the volume key and a dedicated button here for Google Assistant. Then you can see that the SIM tray, this is having a hybrid SIM card. It's not a dedicated SD card slot. Then you get a USB Type-C port at the bottom, the speaker unit, and the top panel has a 3.5mm audio jack. So that's the device. Now let's see what else comes inside the box. So you can see that the readme guide, the manual and warranty information. Then you get the SIM ejector pin included. Then you get the adapter. So this is the 20-watt adapter. So you can see here 20 mentioned, so 20-watt adapter is included here. Then you also get the USB Type-C cable charging and data syncing. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So this is the Moto G9. We have an HD plus resolution display. In fact, the display quality actually looks quite good in our opinion. Even though it's an HD plus resolution display, the display quality definitely looks good. It's a vibrant and colorful display, and even the touch response feels very smooth. So Moto has done a quite good job with the display, even though it's an HD plus. Now looking at the software, we have the stock Android. One of the most important aspects about the Moto device, the stock Android experience. You don't get any other third-party apps except for a couple of ones. One is the Facebook app. Then you get the GPay app also pre-installed. Otherwise it's the stock Android, no other third-party apps. You also get the Moto app where you get these options like customize, personalization, layouts, wallpaper, gestures, then Moto display, and you can also see Moto Play option. So these are some additional options included. We'll talk about that when we do the review and other features. So this is the UI. It's very clean and a clutter-free UI, no ads whatsoever. That's one of the important aspects about the Moto device. Now next let's talk about the camera. So we have a 48 megapixel camera included, and we have a macro sensor as well as depth sensor. You do get additional options. Here you can see that additional options like the video modes, macro, portrait, all those things are included. So we'll talk about that in our detailed camera review. Let's just quickly capture a picture. So that's the picture. You can see that it looks quite good, even though it's taken in under indoor lighting. It looks quite good. Now here are some camera samples we have taken with the Moto G9 after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review soon, so stay tuned for that. Now this device also comes with a 5000 mAh capacity battery and 20 watt fast charging. So the combination looks pretty good. We'll be doing the charging test to analyze how fast it is, and expecting this device to perform quite well because it has a large capacity battery. So we'll be testing all those things in the coming days. So this is the Moto G9. We are not really sure about the pricing as of now. Expect it to be anywhere around a 10 to 12k price segment, and they should be able to give you good experience. A couple of reasons. One is Snapdragon 662 chipset, 4 gigs of RAM, clean and stock Android. You get a 48 megapixel camera, then you get a 5000 mAh capacity battery as well as 20 watt fast charging. Out of the box, the charger is included. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off with unboxing of the Moto G9. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.